difference between food grade and biodegradable lubricants. There's a big difference. So biodegradable basically is made out of soybean, rapeseed oil, sunflower. And biodegradable means that over time, Mother Nature will biodegrade the products. So for an example, we have a customer that has a job by the ocean and he's working on a hydraulic system. And anything that's by the ocean or by bodies of water, the federal government or state of California requires it to have specialized products. So if there is a leak or there is some type of malfunction with equipment and the hydraulic spills on the floor, it's not going to contaminate the environment. It's biodegradable. As for food grade, there's 3 classifications of food grade. So there's H1, H2, and H3. So H1 means if there's incidental contact. So for example, if you're walking through a bottling plant and you see a machine putting a cap on top of a soda can, if that lubricant happens to get into that soda, very small parts per million, there's no issues that they're going to have. There's also H2, which is not a food grade product. So basically, if you're working in machinery that doesn't come in contact at all with food, so we're talking forklifts, we're talking about machineries in different areas, you can use H2 products. Then H3 products are kind of like an additive. So it can be used in the formalization of that food grade product. So if anything happens, that nobody's going to get sick and there's not going to be any issues. So there's a big difference that biodegradability is not food grade and food grade is not biodegradable. Anytime you're using a food grade lubricant, you want to make sure you apply the right application. So when you're in machining for, let's take an example. We have customers that make those little condiment packets. Whenever you're packaging the condiment, the machine needs to have the food grade lubricant. If you're doing orange juice and you're making concentrate orange juice, your seamer oil needs to have a food grade lubricant. Once again, it's inherently biodegradable, but if anything gets in the food, there's not going to be any issues. And it's very small parts per million. They do that for H1 approved products.